Dear students, good morning. So today we are going to learn chapter 1, a computer system. In this chapter 1, we will learn processing unit. So you can see that there is a box cabinet and inside it this is the chip where we are keeping our processing unit. Central processing unit. What is the central processing unit? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of a computer, just like a human being. It is responsible for executing the instructions specified by the user and processing the given data. The process of changing the entered data into meaningful information is known as processing. The result after processing is displayed on the output devices such as monitor. CPU is always kept inside a box called the CPU box or CPU cabinet. So this right side image you can see this is CPU box, or you can say that this is CPU cabinet, and inside it this is motherboard, and on motherboard there is a processor and it is a brain of computer. So this black spot you can see that this is a processor which is kept on the motherboard. CPU is made of three main parts. CPU has three parts: control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit. So you can see in this image, so control unit is controlling almost everything. So let me define by points. Arithmetic and logic unit. This center part, arithmetic and logic unit or ALU, is responsible for the following calculations. Arithmetic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division that we have been doing on our notebook always. But whenever we are using computer, this these things are processed by arithmetic and logic unit. Logical calculations such as finding the greater number and smaller number. So this also can be done by this arithmetic and logic unit. Control unit. Control unit works like a manager, flow of data and checks whether all the computer operations are taking place correctly or not. It controls the working of all the parts of a computer. So this control unit is working as a manager, or you can say that it control unit is working as a father of your house who is controlling everything. The control unit communicates with both the ALU and memory unit. It uses electrical signals to direct the various parts of a computer system to carry out or execute the stored programs instructions. So whenever we are using computer, we are using keyboard. Keyboard is the basic unit to pass information from user to computer. And once the things are done from keyboard or mouse, it will it will be taken care by this control unit. And control unit will take your information to arithmetic and logic unit where your information will be processed, and once it is processed then again it will go back to control unit, and control unit again passes that information to memory unit or to VDU, means visual display unit, or you can say that to your monitor. Control unit is controlling everything, and whenever we type something from keyboard or mouse, it is converted into electrical signals, and that signals will pass through the devices of your computer. So might be possible you are thinking what kind of information is going from here to there. So information is changed into electrical signals and it is being passed from here to there. The last one is memory unit. So this memory unit stores all the data and instructions that need to be processed by the CPU. This memory is called internal memory or primary memory that we have already gone through. So for today, this much only. In the next class, we'll see more about computer. Thanks.